So I've just had BMW X431 in, and among some other jobs I've done the glow plugs. I'd scanned it with my old Autel when I did the service a while back, but now I've got the new launch X431 pad 7, which I've not used yet, so I'm going to plug it into this BMW and see what it does. Right. So let's see, local diagnose. It's a BMW. BMW. Coverage, okay. Just okay that. Let's go and sit in the car. Let me see what this does, see if that box does anything different. It sits down there. Vehicle is communicating. I turned the camera off, it came back, so it's got pretty much everything here. So we'll go next. And this could take some time. So again, I'll come back once it's read all the modules. They're 100% now. Didn't take too long, to be fair. But all I really wanted to do was look at the engine module. But there we go. Right, so basically what I want to do is look at the ECM. System scanning and smart detection. I'm just giving the ECM. Can I do it that way? Yep, enter. Continue. Read fault code. Glow plug 1. Oxygen center. Glow plug 1 and 2. It doesn't tell me if they're historical codes or not historical codes. Just save that pre-repair. It's not pre-repair because I've already repaired it. Just save that. Okay. Don't want to print or anything. Just want to come out there. I'll come out of there. Now I want to clear the full code down. Okay. Recycle the key. You see the glow plug light come on. Start it. Turn it off. Okay, now we've got no DTCs. So it looks like the job is done. Yeah, so that works pretty good. Get my head around it. I should have run that on the stream again. Turn the session. This. Well, you're not going to forget your VCI in a hurry, are you? Oh. Okay. That was just a quick demonstration of doing a scan with my new launch X431 pad 7. Now, as you can see, it's the first time that I've used it, and like anything with different software, it will take a little bit of time to sort of find the shortcuts, etc. But on the first scan, it seemed like a good bit of kit, but I'll keep using it and keep posting the videos as I get better at finding my way around the menus. Anyway, I hope you like this short video. If you do, please subscribe, like, hit the bell to be notified of new videos as and when they come out, and please leave comments and questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.